Hello everyone, and welcome to Wise Owl English Learning. Today's video is about 50 daily routine vocabulary words. With these words, you can expand your English vocabulary. Let's start today's lesson and make learning English an exciting adventure. Let's get started. Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up at 7 a.m. Turn off the alarm.
Turn off the alarm.
I turn off the alarm and get out of bed. Get up.
Get up.
I get up and start my day. Make your bed.
Make your bed.
I make my bed after getting up. Wash your face.
Wash your face.
I wash my face with cold water. Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth after waking up. Take a shower.
Take a shower.
I take a shower every morning. Dry your hair.
Dry your hair.
I dry my hair with a hairdryer. Brush your hair.
Brush your hair.
I brush my hair in the morning. Get dressed.
Get dressed.
The kids are getting dressed. Put on makeup.
Put on makeup.
I put on makeup before going out. Make breakfast.
Make breakfast.
I make breakfast for my family. Have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Go to school.
Go to school.
I go to school by bus. Go to work.
Go to work.
I go to work at 9 a.m. Drive to work.
Drive to work.
I drive to work every day. Wait for the bus.
Wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus at the bus stop. Take a taxi.
Take a taxi.
I take a taxi when I am late. Study.
Study.
I study hard for my exams. Work.
Work.
I work from 9 to 5. Take a break.
Take a break.
I take a break at 10 a.m. Have lunch.
Have lunch.
I have lunch at 1 p.m. Leave school.
Leave school.
I leave school at 3 p.m. Get home.
Get home.
They get home after school. Take a nap.
Take a nap.
I take a nap in the afternoon. Have a snack.
Have a snack.
I have a snack at 4 p.m. Feed the dog.
Feed the dog.
I feed the dog in the evening. Walk the dog.
Walk the dog.
I walk the dog in the park. Take out the trash.
Take out the trash.
I take out the trash every evening. Water the plants.
Water the plants.
I water the plants in the garden. Ride a bike.
Ride a bike.
I ride a bike to stay fit. Do homework.
Do homework.
I do my homework after school. Read a book.
Read a book.
I read a book before bed. Listen to music.
Listen to music.
I listen to music to relax. Exercise.
Exercise.
I exercise at the gym. Vacuum.
Vacuum.
I vacuum the living room. Iron the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
I iron the clothes for the next day. Do the laundry.
Do the laundry.
I do the laundry on weekends. Do the dishes.
Do the dishes.
I do the dishes after dinner. Go shopping.
Go shopping.
She likes to go shopping with her husband. Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor to keep it clean. Mop the floor.
Mop the floor.
I mop the floor every weekend. Cook dinner.
Cook dinner.
I cook dinner for my family. Have dinner.
Have dinner.
I have dinner with my family. Go for a walk.
Go for a walk.
I go for a walk after dinner. Watch TV.
Watch TV.
We watch TV in the evening. Surf the internet.
Surf the internet.
I surf the internet before bed. Comb hair.
Comb hair.
I comb my hair before going to bed. Clip nails.
Clip nails.
I clip my nails once a week. Go to bed.
Go to bed.
I go to bed at 10 p.m. Fall asleep.
Fall asleep.
I fall asleep quickly. Thank you for watching today's lesson on daily routine vocabulary. We hope you enjoyed learning these 50 new words and found them helpful. Don't forget to practice them in your daily conversations. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wise Owl English Learning for more fun and educational content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.